In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export account data from Grok AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can quickly download a copy of your information. I'll also explain what each section does so everything feels clear and predictable. Start by opening your Grok account. Use the web app or the mobile app, whichever you normally use, and sign in as you typically do. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so the process doesn't stall midway. Once you're in, look for your profile area. This is usually represented by an avatar or your initials, often in the top corner of the interface. Click your profile to open the account menu. From that menu, select Settings. The Settings area is where Grok centralizes your account controls, privacy preferences, and tools related to how your information is stored and managed. Take a moment to let the page load completely. Some sections may take an extra second to appear depending on your connection. Inside Settings, locate the section labeled Data Controls. This is the hub for managing your data, including reviewing what's stored and initiating exports. It's designed to give you transparency and control, so it's the right place to visit when you need a copy of your account information. Now, click Export. When you choose Export, Grok prepares a package of your account data. Depending on the platform's current design, you may see prompts that clarify what's included or ask you to confirm your choice. Simply follow the on-screen guidance. If an option appears to narrow the scope of the export, such as filtering by category or time range, use it if you have a specific need. Otherwise, proceed with the default to capture the full set of available data. After you click Export, the system will begin assembling your data. This can take a bit of time, especially if your account has a lot of history. Keep the tab open until you receive confirmation that the export has been initiated. If you see a progress indicator, let it run without interrupting the page. A quick word on best practices. Exported data can include personal or usage information, so treat the file carefully. Store it in a secure location and avoid sharing it publicly. If you're keeping it for record keeping, consider labeling the file with the date so you can easily find it later. That's it. You opened your Grok account, clicked Profile, went to Settings, navigated to Data Controls, and selected Export. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you confidently export your account data from Grok AI.